What's going on, guys? All right, so I've got some new vinyl here from Vivid. These are signature, well, might be signature wraps, CK wraps colors. Signature CK wraps colors. I got a little tongue-tied there. So I've got 5 colors here right now. I did have 6. These are just matte finishes, so we're going to do some gloss as well. And I've been offered the opportunity from Vivid to create these colors and have them available only through CK Wraps. So if you want to purchase any of these colors, they'll only be available through us. You can email us info@ckwrapstoronto.com, or you can email nav@ckwrapstoronto.com. He is my sales guy. He will apply discounts and all the rest of the stuff for you guys. Don't worry, it will be discounted. And yeah, so I'm going to explain what these colors are right now. So we have matte metallic Arancio orange. This is the Lamborghini orange. We've got Burgundy, which is pretty awesome. Matte metallic Tiffany blue, matte metallic white, and matte metallic Viper or lime green. It's lime green. And yeah, so mostly what I've been looking for is a color like this. I've been trying to get something a little bit different that's not really out there yet. The Burgundy is really nice. I'm not sure how it's showing up on the camera right now. I won't know until later. But it looks really nice. I'm going to zoom in and show you guys what these colors look like. We do have, sorry, this is supposed to be satin black metallic. It's a little too glossy, so it didn't turn out very well. And it's not very metallic. So we're going to scrap this one for now, revise it, see if we can come up with something better. But yeah. So these 2 right here have like a blue metallic flake to it, and these 3 have more of a white. It gives it a really nice effect, especially in person. I'm not sure how well it'll show up on camera, but I'm going to show you guys right now what these look like, so you can see for yourself. So this is the orange. These are super sleek colors. This one's my favorite. So we can kind of check out the top edge there where the light's hitting it. Hopefully it's zooming in, or hopefully it's focusing. Cool. I hope that shows up. Yeah, it looks really nice. Then we have the matte metallic Tiffany. There is metallic in it. I don't know if you can see it very well or not. Maybe I should use my light on my phone. Let's see if that works. There we go. So you can see the white metallic. Now it looks way cooler. There we go. So this is what I'm seeing, but I can't really get it to show up on camera. So this is the way to do it. This color is amazing. I love it. The Burgundy is amazing. There's the orange. Check these colors out, guys. I hope you like them. So, kind of what I want to do is I want to take a poll. Let's check out the lime green. Sorry, I'll talk about that in a second. You guys want to see the Porsche? Let's do the Porsche. So there's the Porsche. This is CYS. I can't remember the color name. It's got a really interesting color name. So we pretty much knocked this out in a day today. We did a little bit yesterday, but it wasn't a lot done. So this whole thing is done now. No roof, but it does have like a little hatchback piece. Front bumper was a lot of fun. Honestly, the car looks amazing in this color. We'll get back to the other colors in a second. I just want to show you guys this because I'm pretty happy with it. It looks great, and it's a really interesting color. I'll show you the inlay in the back license plate area. So there's an inlay down in there, in the bottom, underneath this square piece, if you can see it. But that's it. As far as the rear bumper goes, there's an inlay right there. Let's put this back up and talk about what I want from you guys. All right, so That's the Ferrari. All right, so let me just turn the lens around. Cool. So what I want from you guys is to see what colors you're interested in. It's gonna get loud in here, sorry, hopefully the microphone's helping. It's fine. The microphone should isolate the sound. So what I want to do is I want to take a poll, see what colors you guys are interested in having. Maybe we'll do all 5 of these, maybe we won't. What I'd like to do is, if there's high enough demand, is come up with new colors, possibly 3 to 5 new colors every few months. So these will be signature wraps colors, and then eventually maybe Vivid will sell them, who knows, see how they go. I've got, I think, 25 rolls of each if I want to do them. That's what I'm going to be doing. So 25 rolls, that's it. There'll be 25 cars with these colors, and that's it. There'll be no more. If you need more, we can get more, obviously, if we want to get it made. That's no problem. It just takes a few weeks. But yeah, we can always do it again. Don't worry, if we run out and don't have enough, we'll always be able to get more. Once they're made, they're made. So please let me know which ones you guys like. My vote, this one, and the orange I like a lot, and the white I like a lot. The other ones are actually nice, but I'm not a green person. Maybe you are a green person, so if you like green, give it a thumbs up for that one. Put it in the comments below. And if you like Tiffany blue, again, let me know, guys. Thanks for watching the video. I've got more videos on the way. What's going on? Got more training coming up. And what else is going on? I got all kinds of stuff going on, guys. Sorry, I got more videos to upload, and I will upload those. So stay tuned for more stuff. Hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Take care.